Welcome to the Good News Channel, your daily dosage of good news. In a world filled with alarming headlines, there's a glimmer of hope for wildlife. Meet the orange-bellied parrot, notably emerging from the brink of extinction. Once dwindling to just 17 individuals, this bird's population is now on the mend. Thanks to relentless conservation efforts, the numbers have climbed to the low hundreds. A recent milestone included the release of 28 juvenile parrots into their native habitat. These young birds are crucial for re-establishing their species along the Tasmanian coast. Their winter migration to Queensland relies on learning from experienced adult parrots. Madeline Ogilvie from the Natural Resources Department celebrates this remarkable conservation success. In previous years, numbers were disheartening, but now experts predict record migration. This turnaround highlights a shining example. When there's determination, recovery is possible. Subscribe to the Good News Channel for daily good news stories.